So what he's going to do if he's ever intermittent is he'll go to my Canvas, and I'm going to switch to student view just so you can see. So this is what he'll see. He'll go to my modules, and right up here it'll say intermittent student. And right now I have this particular project in that drop down, and this is what my in-class kids are also working on. So he'll click on that, and then I have every single thing that he needs to know how to do for this entire project from start to end. So he'll need to watch this video first, and these are vocab terms he needs to know because we're going to have a quiz sometime. He needs to print off this PDF that's right here, so you'll just click on it and it'll pop up, and then you can print it. This is a video of me going over that PowerPoint and this PDF so he can follow along. And then he needs to submit that worksheet for a grade. And then I have this video. This is the important video. This is what will help him figure out what we're doing. This will explain everything. So he needs to watch that, and then he has one thumbnail sketch that he needs to turn in. So it's just thumbnail sketches are just practicing in his sketchbook or just a sheet of paper, so that way he gets some practice before he starts his final. So the thumbnail sketches, that's a quiz grade. And these are some of the steps, again, just broken down. But it says right here, a thumbnail sketch in your sketchbook needs to be completed, submitted, and it'll be a quiz grade. So that's 40% of his grade. And then after I've approved it, he can move on to doing the final, which he needs to take his time to do, because this is the expectation. The coloring needs to be nice and clean. He needs to pick one color scheme. And again, I explain all of this in the video here. And this will be a major grade. So this will be a really big, important part. So again, all of everything he needs to know for this particular project will be in modules and right up here with the intermittent student. Let me know if you have any other questions.